Now a global outdoor activity enjoyed by millions, Nordic walking is an accessible and easy way to enhance your normal walking routine. By implementing poles and simulating the techniques of cross-country skiers, you transform your typical walk into a full-body workout, burning more calories and engaging more muscle groups. Purchasing the equipment. Buy Nordic walking poles designed specifically for Nordic walking, not regular ski poles. They come with proper hand straps and interchangeable tips for different terrain. Entry-level sets start around $70, and a good pair will feel more comfortable and supportive as you increase intensity or switch surfaces. Choose poles that match your height and stride, so the tips reach the ground while your elbows sit at a comfortable 90-degree angle. If you're buying fixed-length poles, make sure the fit is correct before you leave the store. If they're adjustable, set them to the right length and test walk with them before you go. Look for poles with comfortable wrist straps. Straps let you relax your grip on the backswing without dropping the pole, and they guide it back into your hand in the right position for the next plant. They are not required, but many Nordic walkers recommend them for better technique and comfort. Decide where you will walk, because your pole tips depend on the terrain. Nordic walking works on pavement or on dirt trails, like a lighter alternative to hiking sticks. On pavement, use the rubber pads that cover the pole tips and make sure they are included when you buy the poles. On trails or dirt, switch to the metal spikes for better grip. Wear supportive walking shoes for pavement and hiking shoes for trails. Good footwear matters for comfort and stability, especially on longer walks, so if you plan to switch terrains often, consider getting shoes designed for that surface. Perfecting Nordic walking technique. Slide your hands into the pole straps so they sit comfortably around your thumb and wrist, keeping the poles secure without a tight grip. Start by walking with your normal gait and a light hold on the poles until they feel natural in your hands. Land on your heel and roll through to the ball of your foot while planting the opposite pole to help drive you forward. Let your arms swing naturally opposite your legs, timing the pole plant with your heel strike. Place the poles lightly on the ground at about a 45-degree angle, then add a gentle push to help propel you forward and engage your upper body. Stand tall and allow a small, natural rotation through your torso as you walk to activate your core. Begin with short, easy walks, around 30 minutes while you practice and build confidence. As it feels easier, increase your time and distance gradually, add mild hills or new terrain, and turn back if you feel overly tired or sore. And advancing your weekly workout. Start with a 30-minute walk on day 1 to ease back into Nordic walking. Keep a comfortable, normal pace and focus on your form, avoiding hills and trails for now. Walk for 50 minutes, switching between a normal pace and longer, faster strides every 15 minutes. Treat the normal pace as your recovery while keeping good form. Slow down or stop if you feel tired or anything feels off. On day 3, leave the poles at home and take a 30-minute walk. It reinforces your natural gait and gives your body a lighter recovery day before the more intense sessions later in the week. On day 4, do a 60-minute walk on rolling terrain with a mix of uphill and downhill sections. Try to choose a route with a fairly even balance and pace yourself since it's a longer session. On day 5, take a 40-minute walk and focus on posture and technique. Then take day 6 completely off to rest and recharge before the longest walk of the week. On the final day, work up to a 75-minute walk to challenge your endurance and see how far you can go. If possible, choose trails for part of the route. Once 75 minutes feels comfortable, add about 15 minutes to your longest walk each week. With practice and consistency, Nordic walking transforms simple walks into a full-body workout, boosting strength, endurance, and overall fitness while enjoying the outdoors. Thanks for watching.